guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marilyn, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a unibrow. Kidding you guys. In today's video I'll be trying out this new foundation courtesy of the Beauty Bulletin, and I'm not allowed to say what it is yet. But don't worry you guys, on the day that we reveal what this foundation is, at the end of the hashtag face undercover campaign, I'll be giving away a little something on my Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram at marilyn.n_. So on the day that we reveal what this foundation I'll be trying out today is, I'll be giving away a little something. So don't worry you guys, so today just stay tuned. Without any further ado, let us unbox. So it came with this shh, secret. So don't worry, you'll find out soon what it is. I'm so excited and nervous because I kind of peeped but I haven't opened, because you can see that this packaging is serious. It's a secret. So I need to find where the tape begins and where the tape ends. Oops. So I wonder where this starts even. I am having, Lord have mercy. We're getting there. Jeez, man. This is serious. Now, here we are. I wish I could show you guys the box, but you can only see like the bottom. Doesn't it look majestic? Unfortunately I cannot show you guys the front. The front is only for me to see. Yes. I wish you guys can see this. Wow. So I have got 3 bottles, and first bottle, ooh, fancy. There is the color that I got. That's the first bottle. I have 3 bottles. That's the first one. The second bottle. Ooh, wow. That's the second bottle. Oh, it looks so pretty. And the third bottle. So I've got 3 different shades, and that one is so more like my face. So I've got 3 different shades. I think this one should be in the middle. So I've got 3 different shades there, and well, let's get down to it. So I have done my eyes first because I wanted this video to be quick. So to begin with, I'm going to start with this color right here. Whoa. See how this goes. So this promises full coverage, and I want to see how it goes. So I'm gonna use this foundation brush from Miss Signature. And apply everything in my face. Smells nice. So, yeesh. So, I mean, this looks fabulous. I think the color is perfect on my face. Don't know what you guys think. Never mind my hair. Okay. So far, so good. I like the fragrance on this thing. Oh wow. Okay, I think we need a little bit more for my neck. I just sprayed my gown, you guys. Oh, I just sprayed my gown. Mistakes do happen. And we learn from mistakes. This is going well. Ooh, okay. I'm loving it. A little bit more, okay. Oh wow, guys. I love this. I wish I can tell you guys what the foundation is so that you can get it right away. But some things are just worth the wait. Definitely will be worth the wait when you guys find out what this is. I love it. Jeez, look at that. They do not call it full coverage for nothing. Wow. Like. Jeez, I'm having a terrible bad hair day. Don't judge. Oh my god, look at that. I likes this. Ooh. Okay. So, to mix it up a little bit, I am gonna go a little bit with the lighter shade on my cheeks and highlighting areas. Okay. There, open. This better work out. I'm not gonna put too much. So I just want this part to be lighter, so I'm gonna use the lighter shade. Why does this thing smell so nice? Oh my god. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I wish I could tell you guys what this foundation is already. Oh wow. This is amazing. Talk about full coverage for reals. I am just hoping that it gives me a matte finish, because I don't think I want to use powder on top of this foundation. so that you guys can truly see what it is like. Wow. I love a little bit. Let's go into my forehead and cover up that unforgiving pimple. It's an unforgiving pimple. The only pimple on my face right now. Jeez. Okay. Wow. I'm loving it for real. I love this foundation. I hope you guys get it of the reveal. So, you know, guys, let me share a little bit about myself. So, for some people who don't know me, well, where do I even start? So, how I came into the beauty industry was through pageants. So, I started like in pageants when I was young. I think my first pageant was when I was 7 and I lost. My second one was when I was in grade 9 and I came out as first princess. It was nothing major. But my serious pageant was when I was in first year, proud NW Val. And I got first princess. And then I began from there. So currently I have like, I don't know, I think about 23 crowns and tiaras. Yeah, so so ever since I got like a job, I've not really like much into pageantry anymore. And I'm a mom, yes, mom to a very handsome boy who is 6.5. He's turning 7 really soon. I don't live with him, he lives back home. Home which is in Mpumalanga. I'm from Bushbuck Ridge. Yes, Nishangane nje. Jongo, Shangane, like yellow bone, hey. Quite interesting. Like people find it really hard to believe when I say I'm Tsonga. When it's like, oh really? Say something in Tsonga. I'm like, really? So, it's amazing. I love this foundation. Love this foundation. The feel too is actually really amazing. It's not like wet. I've used like some foundation before that is really wet. So let's amp things up, and the darker shade I'm actually gonna like use it on the area where I'm supposed to contour, like there. So I am not gonna like contour like traditionally like I usually do. Sweet. So I don't know if I should reveal my age, guys. Well, I'm 24 and I currently live in Cape Town. So I relocated from Joburg to Cape Town in end of Jan. But I was born and bred in MP, grew up in MP, schooled there, and then only moved to Joburg to school. So, and then now I'm an article clerk. Yes, I'm an auditor, I'm an accountant by profession. And how do YouTube tutorials? I said accountants were boring. Definitely not this accountant. So yeah, so I want to be a CA when I'm done. I want to be a chartered accountant. So it's been a tough journey so far, but a fruitful one at that. I'm happy with the space that I'm in. Like everything is just going well. And I thank God for that. And I thank God for a supportive family. I mean, my son is like my driving force. Like every time I feel like giving up, and I think like when I think that he's there, like he's waiting for me to finish everything and qualify. So it just like it keeps me going, it keeps me moving. So yeah, yeah, I'm quite happy with this foundation. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna try fast and famous. I'm gonna fix this part because yeah, sweet. I don't know if I should do anything more. I don't think I should do anything more here because I'm so happy with the result. It looks amazing. Yeesh. Like this is so beautiful, so nice. Like the fragrance even is so amazing. Now my hand is dirty. So like it's amazing. It's full coverage like they said it is. I don't know, guys, you must get this. I hope you are anticipating to find out what this foundation is, and I can't wait to share with you guys what it is. Like just it's an amazing foundation. Look, I haven't even put on powder. Like what? I didn't even use a primer, I didn't use a setting spray, and look at that. This is already selfie perfect. It's amazing. I'm in love. I'm in love. Wow. Like, I'm done. Like, to finish this off, I'm going to use the bronzer that they threw in for me. Still from the same brand. So they included the bronzer. Then for me. Just gonna do this. Trying to keep it simple today. Girl, can make me sing. Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? I think I'm in love with myself and this foundation. Who sings when they can't sing? Wow. I love. And that's the final look, you guys. So it looks matte, so I didn't have to powder it or anything. So that's like the final look. So be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow my #faceundercover journey, and I'll be giving away a little something at the end on the day when we reveal what this foundation is. And do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys thought about this video. Lots of love from me.